Hey everyone, welcome back to SpeakAlong English, a place where you learn English without pressure. No grammar fear, no overthinking, just real conversations you can speak along with. Hi Alex, welcome back to the SpeakAlong English studio.
Hi, Mia. It feels good to be back.
And honestly, after the first episode, I practiced introducing myself a few times.
That's amazing, Alex, and that's exactly how confidence grows. Practice, not perfection.
Yes, but Mia, I have a new problem now.
Oh, tell us, what happened?
So I introduced myself, that part was okay, but after that, I didn't know what to say next. There was silence, awkward silence.
Ah, that moment. You're not alone, Alex. This is one of the most common problems English learners face.
Really? Because in my head, I was thinking, I spoke English, why does this still feel uncomfortable?
That's because introducing yourself is only step one. The next skill is something very important, and that is exactly the topic for today's podcast. Today's topic is how to start a conversation in English.
That sounds scary already.
Let me say something that might surprise you. Starting a conversation in English is not about being interesting. It's about being curious.
Curious?
Yes, most conversations start with simple, small questions. Not big ideas, not perfect sentences, just small talk.
I've heard that word before, small talk, but I never really understood it.
That's okay. Let's make it very simple. Small talk is just easy conversation. It helps people feel comfortable.
So, it's not deep conversation?
Exactly. Small talk is like a bridge. It connects two people.
That already makes me feel better.
Good. Now here's the secret. Most English conversations start with one of these three things: the place, the situation, or the other person.
That sounds manageable. Can we try examples?
Is this your first time here?
That's it?
Yes, or this place is really nice.
Oh, I've heard people say that.
Exactly. Now let's try this situation. For example, this meeting is longer than I expected, or this class is interesting.
That feels very natural.
Because it is natural. Now, the third one, the other person, you can ask, what do you do? Or are you working on this project too?
So I don't need a perfect sentence?
No, you need a clear sentence. That's all.
Mia, I think my problem is that I wait for the perfect moment.
Yes, and while you're waiting, the moment passes.
That's exactly what happens.
Everyone watching, this is your moment to speak along. Is this your first time here? Or, what do you do? Or, this place is nice. If your voice felt shaky, that's okay. That means you're learning.
Mia, can I share something?
Of course.
Earlier, I used to start conversations like this. Sorry to disturb you, I'm not very good at English, and then I felt worse.
That's an important point. Let's make this very clear. Don't apologize for your English. Don't explain your fear. Don't make yourself smaller.
So, what should I do instead?
Start simple. Speak clearly. And remember, conversation grows slowly.
Hi, I'm Alex. I work in IT. Then, what do you do?
Perfect. That's a real conversation.
Whoa, that feels doable.
That's the speak along English way. No pressure, just progress.
Mia, should we give our audience a challenge?
Yes, everyone watching, today's challenge is simple. Write one conversation starter in the comments. For example, what do you do? Is this your first time here? Or this class is interesting.
And if you make a mistake, that's part of learning.
Exactly. Like, subscribe, and speak along with us every day.
Share this video with someone who feels nervous starting conversations in English.
And come back tomorrow for the next episode. We'll continue learning English one conversation at a time. See you in the next episode.
See you in the next episode.